All right, so we have our cut potatoes. I've cut maybe about 4 to 5. I have them soaking and cleaning in the water. And we are going to put our potatoes in a nice cookie sheet or baking pan. And we're just going to nicely just layer these accordingly, such as. All right, so as you see, we are going to just line our pan with our cut potatoes. Now, I would also recommend putting a little bit of oil at the bottom or even, on top of your potatoes. You don't have to if you're using, also, side note, hamburger meat, because the grease itself will, kind of soften up the potatoes. But depending on the kind of meat you're utilizing, like let's say if you're using turkey meat, I would recommend just coating your potatoes lightly with oil. So we're going to go ahead and bring in our meat. But before we bring in our meat, we're going to add also some additional seasonings such as sea salt. So I did go ahead and make sure to sprinkle some additional sea salt on the potatoes. We are going to bop back over here into our meat. And as you can see, I have 1 can of cream of mushroom with 1 can of water. We're going to go ahead and mix this together. And once we get this nicely mixed, we're going to pour this over our potatoes. So let's go ahead and get this together. Perfect. Now with the cream of mushroom and the water, it will also, season the meat a little bit more as well as the potatoes. So just make sure, you mix it in pretty good. Perfect. And our oven just bopped and let us know it was 350. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pour this over our potatoes.